Radical Republican Reconstruction Plan, an overview. The Radical Republican Reconstruction Plan was a set of measures put in place after the American Civil War to ensure that African Americans would have equal rights. These measures included passing the 13th, 14th, and 15th Amendments to the Constitution, as well as creating new civil rights legislation. If I were in Congress, I would have supported the Radical Republican Reconstruction Plan because I believe it was necessary to ensure that African Americans were given equal rights and opportunities. The plan aimed to help African Americans become integrated into society and to help them build up their communities. It also aimed to hold accountable those who had been responsible for the oppression of African Americans. These goals were important and necessary to create a more just and equitable society. Similarly, the plan also aimed to give black men the right to vote and hold political offices, as well as equal protection under the law. It also called for the education of black children and the complete abolition of slavery. The Reconstruction Amendments, the 13th, 14th, and 15th Amendments, which were passed to implement the Radical Republican Reconstruction Plan, are some of the most important amendments in American history. They helped to secure civil rights for African Americans and laid the groundwork for later progress in the fight for equality. On the other hand, I would not have supported the Lincoln-Johnson Plan of Reconstruction since it did not do enough to promote equality between blacks and whites. It also left in place many of the institutions that had allowed slavery and racism to flourish in the first place, such as state governments controlled by former slave owners. Additionally, this plan placed a heavy burden on the newly freed slaves, who were expected to work hard and rebuild their lives with little assistance from the government.